Niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my crony to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it, no record, give a fuck. Yo, yo. I put some ice on my hand.
It's 11:21. My nail appointment is at 11:30. I'm about to go in and get my nails done. Alright y'all, so I'm back and this is the final lashes. They are so freaking cute. Right now it's 1:30. I have a hair appointment at 2 o'clock. My ETA says I'm not gonna get there until 1:50, so I can't grab food, but my lashes gave me some candy, so I'm about to eat this candy. If I get to, the girl who's doing my hair is nearby me, so if I can get down there fast enough, I will grab food, but if not, then I'm gonna just be eating on these until I'm done getting my hair done. But come on y'all. Oh, my lashes are so cute. That 28-inch bust down. Alright, let me show y'all what I just got in the mail. Y'all see? Right? Y'all see what I'm doing there, right? Yo. So right now it's 7:14. Today just has not been it. I bust my lip earlier. Everything's been going downhill since. So I'm about to get dressed now, and then hopefully the rest of the night is just like perfect. You feel me? I hope. Let's go.
I feel like I'm stalking you. I swear I keep back. Sometimes I don't understand. I feel like we did some shit that we were never supposed to do. If I
back up. A little bit. That good. Hold it. Yo, talk to him, Bobby. Let the baby. Show me a step back, yo. Show me a step back.
Step back.
Let me see a step back. I need to see a step back.
I need to get my swag.
Yeah. Let me see a step back.
Step back. That's side step. Step back.
Step back, step back.
Good step.
You side step too.
Y'all know.
That's it. Hey! Let me see a step back, Lil. Let me see a step back. Oh, hey!
I swear to God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blah, blah, blah. You ain't those guys. Yeah. No, it's today's date. Today's March 12th. You feel me? We lit. It's Kim Kobe here.
Okay.
Kim Kobe here. Big Bull. Feel me? Big 2-4.
Yeah,
Kobe's here. Drink some champagne. We was outside, you feel me? We was lit. Video coming soon. Y'all already know. We was turned up. You already know how we give it up when we outside. You feel me? We was outside for the princess today. You know what I'm saying? We was doing our thing. You feel me? We was lit. We was turned up. Stay tall.
These niggas smuggled.
Oh, the bottle!
Yeah, B-Day.
You feel me?
Get some Hennessy, bro.
Get me lit! Get me lit!
Get her lit. You feel me?
Oh. nigga.
Ooh, be fly. Rise and shine. What's up, y'all? So right now it's 2:41. My clock still says 1:41. As y'all can see, my little busted lip, is the swelling went down, so now all is there is a little split in the middle of my lip. So I'm feeling alright because I was upset yesterday about it. I was really upset about it because I'm just like, my lip, like on my birthday, that's fucked up. But I didn't let it, you know, get me down. So maybe that's why God made it go away. So we had reservations at brunch for 2 p.m. but we didn't go to sleep till like 5-6 o'clock in the morning, and that's after the time change. So we're all just waking up around like 1, so that 2 p.m. reservation got canceled. But now we're just gonna probably go out for dinner instead because we all just been sitting on the phone in the bed this whole entire time for like the past 2 hours trying to figure out other options. So I'm about to start getting dressed now. I gotta figure out exactly what feet I'm wearing. I know what I'm wearing on the body, I just don't know what feet I'm wearing because I really didn't like none of the feet that I bought for the outfit. So once I get in the shower and brush my teeth and do all that extra shit, I'm gonna come back and show y'all. So let me tell y'all what one of my associates texted me for my birthday. So he said, happy birthday, you are 30 now, so please slow down on the Red Bulls. When I first got there, I used to drink Red Bulls every single day. So he said, so please slow down on the Red Bulls. And my wish for you is to never fire me, erase all my write-ups because you're a loving person. So enjoy. The fuck out of here. When I get back, I'm adding on to the write-up. Say, nah. You like my shirt? It say emotionally unstable. I mean, it doesn't say that. It says emotionally exhausted with a Care Bear on it. Well, I'm emotionally unstable too, so hey. I can't wait for y'all to see my pictures. They are so cute. Like, I'm not the only person in my friend group that can take pictures. My boys, they know what they be doing. They be snapping. What y'all know about this song? Pull up incidents, recall dates and times that never happened. How could we celebrate love that's true? How could I really mean the words I'm about to say? At least in my dreams, just let me take my time and remember. Sounds like a love song. Sounds like a song.
I already heard your side of the story. Hear mine. No, you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do nothing to my lips yet. I'm gonna wait it out and see how I feel about the lips because it's all like scabby. I don't want to put nothing on it, and I don't want to do what I did yesterday, like keep having to cover the band-aid up. I ain't got time for that. So I might just put on some like chapstick and call it a cute day. But alright, y'all, I'm about to go get dressed.
I'll be jump texting you. I wanna be without you, 'cause I'm on that liquid curve.
Serious, can't nobody, no fucking.
I want the whole cattle. Gucci buffs on my eyes look like solar panels. Leaving bitches on these, nigga, the killer these, nigga. All street niggas ain't in the streets, nigga. Best rapper, ex-trapper, dress dapper.
I don't know if you can take it. You wanna see me nigga. I wanna be a baby. The thing that I'm gonna do. Wow, thoughts. Wow.
Whatever my niggas be wanting, know I got them. I be up and drugs, addicted to narcotics. 2012 niggas wasn't with me in the box. And you know it's guaranteed when I say promise. And I got some shorty that gon' shoot. They gon' do the shit you ain't gon' do. And you ain't think about getting no money till they die, know you. And nigga, I drill from. Ain't still signed the first, but I kill from. Cook this shit up. Can't out G go too fast. I don't even wear no seatbelt. Upgrade, now she got D cups. How about the rain? I'm going. Little baby going. I'm like, baby, I know I'm on, but this is how life goes. On my tippy toes. This shit crazy.
Yo. So right now it's 12:25. My birthday has officially come to an end. I just post my grand pictures, so that's how you know the day came to the end. I'm about to go in a car and go do my due diligence. So yeah, y'all, my birthday was mad fun. It really was fun. I was supposed to do something Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but Friday got canceled, on top of the fact that I was doing my hair, like I went to go get my hair and my nails and stuff done, so it didn't really matter. And then Saturday was yesterday, and that shit, I had mad fun. And today we just went out to eat, but it's cool because I was around the boys and I had mad fun still. So tomorrow I'm gonna see my Imaya boo because I still got one more day off until I go back to work. So tomorrow I'm gonna spend my off day. I'm gonna chill with Imaya. I don't know if I said this before, but I'm not really big on birthdays. Well, I'm not big on my birthday. Let me rephrase that. I'm not big on my birthday. I love everybody else's birthday. Oh my gosh, ask my friends. When it comes to birthdays, even if I can't, like, you know, go out and go get a whole big old gift, you're gonna feel like it's your birthday. You feel me? We gonna bring it in together. We gonna sing happy birthday. You gonna have cake or cupcakes. Something gonna get jiggy. You feel me? You gonna have some type of form of gift, whether it's a card, balloons, whatever. I feel like people should, like, you know, feel special on their birthday. But like on my birthday, I don't be for it. You know why? Because all I think about is like, ew, bitch, you turning another motherfucking year older. That's all I can think about. So like I've been was saying that like after my birthday I was definitely gonna take a break. Like, so I needed to get super turned for my birthday. And it's crazy because I didn't even get as turned as I thought I was gonna get. Well, not drunk wise, but weed wise, I didn't get as turned as you feel me? I think we didn't even like really, you know, like last year on my birthday, we blew down. Did we? Yesterday, I think we smoked maybe like 3 blunts. I think 1 on the way to the place and then 2 on the way home. But really 2 if you ask me, because I wasn't fucking with that backwood blunt. Alright, so look, I took a backwood break, like a really long backwood break, because that's all I used to smoke. I used to only smoke backwoods. But then I took a break because this shit started rocking me. And then I smoked the backwood for the first time the other night. Yesterday night. Oh my fucking gosh, yo! That shit was breaking me down. Like, breaking me, like, you... Bro, like, if Sean was in the fucking car right now, he'll tell you, I was in this shit right here in this spot, choking, like, coughing, dying, choking. He like, you good? No. This shit, actually, look, I think this is it right here. And, niggas got in the car earlier, like, oh shit, like, niggas still got clips from last night? No, because I ain't smoking it. Y'all got clips from last night. Not I. I don't have nothing. Y'all got that shit. Call it a taps. I did some bullshit though. I could have just really passed it to the next person. What I did was I smoked it after it came around to me, and I really didn't want it. I smoked it a little bit and then I threw it right in the ashtray. Get that shit out the rotation. And don't get me wrong, like, I ain't got no beef with the backwoods because I used to be a backwood queen. But I can't do it no more. I don't know, them shits was rocking me. It was slapping me. Bing, 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 bing. Wasn't feeling it. I know, like, today on my birthday I didn't do a lot of recording, but that's just because we just went out to eat. Like, we really slept in most of the day because of last night, so we just went out to eat. But oh, my camera about to die. All right, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, post notification bells, all that fun shit. Bye, y'all.